In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a steam effect using Davinci Resolve. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going into your Fusion tab and adding in a fast noise. Now what you're going to do is just connect it to media in, and it should create a merge just like so. Now as you can see, it creates some steam, so you can play around with the detail to make it look a little bit different. As I'm going to do steam with the gun, I'm just going to keep it just like this, and you can also play around with the brightness as well and the contrast just to make it look more realistic. Now what you're going to do is click on the polygon and drag it over and just connect it to the fast noise, because you're going to mask